Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by logging into Aternos and opening the server dashboard. Once there, make sure the server is stopped so changes apply cleanly. You should back up your world now because switching game mode can affect player progress. Next, open the console and files sections so you have quick access. This immediate preparation saves time and prevents data loss. Once the server is stopped and backups are in place, you're ready to change settings or run commands without interrupting players or corrupting the world. You proceed by using the console to change game mode with precision. Type game mode followed by the mode and player name, for example game mode creative your name, and press enter. If you want everyone, use ATA as the target selector. Make sure you are an operator or have permission to run these commands, otherwise nothing will change. Once done, verify the player's inventory and abilities to confirm the switch. If multiple players need changes, repeat or use batch selectors to apply the mode to groups efficiently. To finish, you can set defaults via server properties or install a plugin to enforce persistent game modes, edit files in the Files section, and save. After making changes, restart the server to apply settings, then join in game and confirm the game mode. If something goes wrong, check the console for errors, ensure the player is listed as an operator, and review permission plugin configurations. If commands silently fail, reapply operator status and retry. This one troubleshooting tip usually resolves permission-related failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.